Next is the Sunny's Face dual-ended brush. When it comes to the bristles, I really love the bristles kasi sobrang soft niya sa face, and kahit tumatagal or kahit matagal ko na siyang ginagamit and matagal ko na siyang hinuhugasan din, hindi pa rin siya nagkakaroon ng tusok-tusok factor. So my thoughts on this, sobrang bilis din magbuhaghag nung bristles niya. So yun yung one of my observation kasi when you first buy this, hindi siya ganito ka buhaghag. So as you can see, medyo nag-fan out na siya. And when it comes to cream products, syempre mas okay pa rin if magstay talaga na dense and very, very dense and compact yung bristles niya or yung brush itself. But all in all, I still love using this, most especially for blending out. Since nagbuhaghag na siya, most especially when it comes dun sa concealer end niya, hindi ko na siya masyado magamit na pang blend dun sa concealer. Next is the Visex Jelly Eugenio